God did it before, can God not do it again? And that's the question. Maybe not in your life, so don't be selfish. But have you not witnessed God doing that thing in someone else's life? Someone that you've witnessed, God has done something miraculous in their life. It may not have been done for you, but if you are of this faith, if you are of this belief, you understand that we do not live by sight, but we live by that word called faith, that 5-letter word called faith. Faith that is only given through the proportion of grace. It's only given, it's not willed. I know that's not a teaching many of us hear, but it's grace that allows us to have a certain level of faith. So if God did it before, how dare you not believe that God can do it again? If it might not happen, it might not happen, it might not happen. But there's a possibility that it could happen because it has happened before. It might not happen for you. But it's a hope that if God wanted it to happen, it would just happen. Be encouraged. And remember, faith and grace. Yes, 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 yes.